Welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today, we'll be exploring the fiery and fascinating Tabasco pepper. This vibrant chili is not just known for its iconic role in hot sauces, but also for its unique growing characteristics and uses. Did you know that Tabasco peppers are one of the few chili peppers whose fruits are juicy rather than dry on the inside? This unique quality gives Tabasco peppers their distinctive flavor and heat profile, which is why they are the key ingredient in the famous Tabasco sauce. The Tabasco pepper has an intriguing history, originating in the Mexican state of Tabasco. These peppers were cultivated by indigenous peoples for centuries before gaining popularity worldwide. The pepper was first commercially grown in the United States by Edmund McKinney on Avery Island, Louisiana in the mid-19th century. McKinney used the peppers to create his now famous hot sauce, which he first marketed in 1868. This sauce catapulted the Tabasco pepper into international fame, cementing its place in culinary history. Tabasco peppers plants are small and bushy, typically reaching heights of about 2 to 4 feet. The peppers themselves are small, measuring about 1 to 2 inches in length. They start out green and mature to a bright, vibrant red, though some varieties may turn yellow or orange. The peppers grow in an upward orientation, which is quite different from many other pepper varieties that hang downward. This upright growth habit is a distinctive characteristic of Tabasco peppers and adds an ornamental appeal to gardens. If you're thinking about growing Tabasco peppers, there are a few conditions you'll need to keep in mind. These peppers thrive in warm, humid climates similar to their native environment. They prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter with a pH level between 5.5 and 7.5. To get started, plant your seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before the last expected frost. They require temperatures of around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. Once the seedlings are about 6 inches tall and the outdoor temperature consistently stays above 60 degrees, they can be transplanted outside. Make sure to space them about 18 to 24 inches apart to give them room to grow. Tabasco peppers also need plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. Regular watering is crucial, especially during flowering and fruiting stages, but avoid waterlogging the soil as this can lead to root rot. Companion planting can benefit Tabasco peppers significantly. Good companion plants for Tabasco peppers include basil, carrots, onions, and tomatoes. These plants help deter pests and can improve soil quality around your Tabasco pepper plants. Avoid planting peppers near fennel, as this can stunt the pepper's growth. Marigolds are also excellent companions as they can naturally repel nematodes, which are harmful to pepper plants. One special behavior of Tabasco pepper plants is their resistance to many common pests and diseases, making them relatively easy to grow. However, they can be susceptible to aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites, especially in greenhouses or in indoor environments. Regular inspection and natural pest control methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap can help manage the issues. Tabasco peppers are also known for their continuous fruit production throughout the growing season, providing a steady harvest. While most commonly known for their roles in hot sauces, Tabasco peppers have other culinary uses as well. They can be used fresh in salsas, stews, and even pickled. Beyond their culinary uses, Tabasco peppers have some medicinal properties. They contain capsaicin, a compound known for its pain relief properties and potential benefits in boosting metabolism and reducing inflammation. Capsaicin is also the reason behind the pepper's heat, which can vary between 30,000 to 50,000 Scoville heat units, making them moderately hot. Tabasco peppers are a fascinating plant to grow, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a hot sauce enthusiast looking to cultivate your ingredients. With their unique characteristics, vibrant colors, and various uses, they are a great addition to any garden. We hope you enjoyed your learning about the Tabasco pepper today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant profiles. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.